guys, welcome back to Richo's Custom, and today we're going to be slapping a hectic turbo on this 99 AU Falcon. So, keep watching and it's going to be hectic doses. So here's this is the beast 99 AU Falcon. Look at it, she's absolute sleeper spec. If you can see an intercooler, yes, this thing is going to have the fattest front mount intercooler you've ever seen on an AU Falcon. So, first off, I think we will put the turbo kit on, straight from Marketplace, $350 turbo kit on this thing. So, first off, I think we'll put the T-piece in for oil feed, oil line.
Take the airbox out first.
Yeah, airbox out. Put the J-pipe on, take the wideband out because we'll need that to put it after the turbo. Yeah, look, he's already started. How good. He's got to get going. So yep, we'll do that. Woo. As you can see, it's like extremely wet, so sorry if there's like lightning and thunder and the camera gets wet. You got the intake out?
You bolt it from here and then pop it off here as a whole piece.
Yeah, do that. Oh, you got to unbolt the bottom bit.
Yeah, first.
Yeah.
Or do you want to do that all together? Isn't there?
Doesn't matter. We're brothers. We've got the time lapse going. Rip this pipe off, don't need that. 10 mil here, I've got enough 10 mils.
Need the scissors. I know you sit on there though, just pop it.
We won't need that, will we? Yeet! Hey? Yeet! Just rip it out, you reckon? Or?
Yeah.
I'll check. Yeet. So, where's that T-piece? Here.
That's all we need for now, eh?
Yep, so under basically all Falcon 6 cylinders, got to pop this brass or whatever T-piece right where the oil sender is, right down under the intake manifold. So we'll get the old one out, pop this in, and we'll put the old one at the back of this. If it's going to focus. Not really, it's got autism.
You need a tan.
Yeah, always like that. But yep, rip that out and put that in. So that's the T-piece, the old sender in it. So we'll just put that back in and connect the stainless feed.
I don't approve of being on the YouTube channel, so I'll let you know.
So once you got your T-piece down there connected, you want to connect your stainless line, that'll go to the top of the turbo there, like so. So next off, I think we'll lift her up and tap the sump for the oil drain. So let's do that. And while it's up there, we'll put the J-pipe on. Sweet. Time to go skywards.
Really? Finally we're going to actually do something?
Exactly. So now...
Hi guys, I'm Cletus McFarlane, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Exactly. So now we got to drill a hole in the sump for the oil drain.
There's like a drill right here. Yo Logan,
So,
what's up?
9/16 hole.
Yeah, go for it, son.
So once you got your dodgy ass angle tap in the sump, go ahead and put your J-pipe, oh, fucking hit my head. Put the J-pipe up, and that's where the turbo's gonna go. So now we can drop her down. Thick goop coming out. Yoo. Fresh oil down there. Yoo. So once your J-pipe's on, you want to get your T3 turbo, put that up, connect the feed, connect the oil drain, and we're nearly ready for a start here in a minute. Yep, Connor's in the driver's seat. First start up. Just let it idle for a bit. Oh, they got an oil leak, turn it off. Oil leak, oil leak. Righto, second start up. So as you can see here, we've dummied up all the piping just to make sure it can all fit, and we've got these plates that we've tightened up here so we can just run a weld around them which will support the intercooler, and then we'll just have to run 2 mounts down the bottom. But yeah, looks pretty cool. So for the exhaust, I'm just about to weld up this 3-inch dump that'll go down, and hopefully if all goes to plan we'll be able to connect it up to the original exhaust system on it. So yeah, oops, it's all coming together. Connor's on the intake just cleaning up all the bits that we had to drop saw so there's no metal filings going into the engine, but it's looking good.
But fuck it.
What we do here is go back.
So, turbo kit's done.
It's over full.
It's over full. That's not a bad thing. Piping's all done.
Front's on.
Yeah, that's the setup.
Intercooler.
Intercooler's on. Had to drill out the lights, but you can't really see because all the dust. Grill's back on. Turbo's there. Heat wrap the back of the dump just so it keeps everything cool. Like that's, you know, still touchable. Got to work out something for the air filter one day, but yeah, pipes come through there. You can see it just through the light, and then the front mount there. But yeah, just took it for a test drive. Of course, on private property because
Private roads.
Private roads because you know don't want to break any laws. But yeah, she's an absolute rig. Got a slight leak out of the wheel T-piece we'll have to fix up next time when I'm not at school or work, but yeah, dose is hard. What are you looking for, the drain back?
Yeah,
It's all out of there. If you had a screwdriver, you could probably do it fucking hot.
Do you reckon? So, that's the end of the video. Sorry I didn't film too much. I've been pretty busy over the weekend and Connor over helping. We really cracked onto it. As you can see, Queensland summer, hectic storms at the end of the afternoon, so we really had to focus on it and get it done, which we did. Hectic dose, absolutely love it. So if you enjoyed the $350 eBay turbo kit with eBay intercooler piping, let us know if you enjoyed it down in the comments below. Any questions down below, I'll answer them, so be sure to drop a comment and I'll get back to you. But thanks for watching another video, and I'll see you on the next build. Cheers.